Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm bringing you guys a nail video on how I use my Cricut to design this set of nails right here. This nail set was inspired by the Clase Azul tequila bottle, and it was made for my sister who is an esthetician and needed some set of press-ons for the weekends. And so if you guys are ready to see how I made these, please keep watching and let's get started. Here I am on Cricut Design Space, and I'm just going to head over to my last nail project, and I'm just going to delete what I've made, just keeping the template. And I'm just going to save it under a new name, that way I don't lose my previous project. Over in Google Images, I typed in Clase Azul SVG, and this is the images I was getting. There's not very much out there, but I did find this one right here, so I saved it to my computer. And then I also saved this one right here. Now I'm back into Cricut Design Space, and I'm just going to be uploading all my images. So I'm removing all the background, and I only wanted to keep the little design, so I'm deleting all the words and everything else that I don't need. And once I'm done, I'm just going to save as a cut image and repeat the same steps for my other images. Now that I have my images uploaded, I'm going to add them to my canvas, and this is where you're just going to decide how you want to design your nails. Here I'm using contour to separate my images, and that way I can have the petals separate and I can move them around and just play with the design until I find something I like. And so I'm just going to let you guys watch, and I'll be back when I'm done with the design. Here I am done with the design, and I'm just making sure that I am attaching and welding the designs together. Here I have my mat, and I like to cut out 3 copies just to make sure that I have extras in case I need them. And we're going to be cutting under the vinyl setting. This is what my vinyl looks like after I've cut, and now we are ready to start our nails. Here I have my set ready to go. I have buffed the top layer, and now I'm just going to be using some white nail polish to prep them. I will be doing 2 coats of this, and this is gel nail polish, so you have to cure between every coat. Wipe with alcohol to remove the stickiness, and then we are ready to apply our decals. I'm using my tweezers to help me place the designs around, and then just the reverse method to stick on my flowers. Make sure to seal in your design with the top coat, and then we'll be done. And so I'm just going to finish the rest of the nails and let you guys watch, and I'll be back once we're done. And so here we are. This is the finished look, and the last step is just to use some nail glue or nail tape to get them onto your fingers. And so I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.